Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your bus run configurations for a bus run to be able to automatically apply to a child's booking. To begin with, you're going to click on your service menu and under configuration click on buses. You will then click on the tab Bus Run Room Link. This is where you can assign multiple bus runs to a specific room. To complete this step, you can click here to add a new bus run room link, select the room, select the trip type, either pick up or drop off, and select your bus runs. Now you can select one or you can select multiple, and you can click save. You can then jump over onto a child's details page to set up their configuration for their bookings. If the child has the system tag Users Bus, you will see the Bus Run Room tab. You will then click here to assign a bus run to a room. So you will then select the room, select the days. If you would like the same bus run assigned to all days, you can simply tick all days. Select the trip type and then select one of the bus runs in the applicable drop-down box. Please note, you will only be able to assign one bus run for each day per room. Now that you've set up that bus run room configuration on the child's level, when creating bookings for the child, whether this is in the parent portal from the parent or whether it is from a Kidsoft user, when selecting a booking type assigned to a room, you will now see the bus run automatically assigned to either the bus pickup or the bus drop-off column. This can be edited at any time, and when this configuration is set up, it will not add it to existing bookings. So this configuration will only apply to new and future bookings once created. If you require any further information on how to set up your bus run and room configuration, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.